Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word massacres. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The history books are filled with accounts of massacres that took place during times of war and conflict. Massacres refer to instances of indiscriminate killing of a large number of people, often carried out as a brutal and violent act of aggression or revenge. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.